Wait right here.
Oh, my.
Here you go. All that wonderful piney smell and no needles to vacuum up. It's on me. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Olive, it's perfect. Thank you. And Merry Christmas to you.
Much obliged. Thanks, Olive.
Christmas, my favorite day. The wait's almost over.